Not every case gets solved right away. Some take many years due to issues like lack of evidence or witnesses, but we never forget. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to one of the most impactful and forward-looking teams in our office, the Cold Case and Sexual Assault Kit Initiative Unit, or SAKI. This year marks the 10th anniversary of SAKI, a program that has helped bring justice to survivors of sexual violence and hold serial offenders accountable. And now, with the help of more than $3.8 million in new federal grants, we have expanded our reach, launching the Dallas County Cold Case Initiative Project to help solve even more violent crimes and give families the answers they've been waiting for. Let's hear from the people leading this important work.
I'm Amy Derrick, and I oversee our SAKI unit. This task force began in 2015 and has made incredible progress investigating hundreds of cold case sexual assaults, identifying 561 violent sexual offenders who are responsible for victimizing nearly 950 women and children, including 106 serial rapists. This year, as we celebrate a decade of SAKI, our team remains focused on using every tool available, from DNA testing to investigative genetic genealogy, to ensure that survivors receive the justice they deserve.
I'm Leighton D'Antoni, Chief of the new Cold Case Division, focusing on unsolved homicides and sexual assaults, many of which are decades old and still hold vital evidence that today's technology can finally unlock. We work alongside the Dallas Police Department, the FBI, and agencies like the Southwestern Institute of Forensic Sciences to re-examine cases, track new leads, and bring closure to families who've been waiting far too long. Our team includes prosecutors, investigators, a site coordinator, and victim advocates, ensuring that every family is treated with compassion and kept informed every step of the way.
Justice may take time, but we are committed to never giving up on these cases or the people behind them.